Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this video we are going to learn the reflexive pronoun, and we are going to learn contractual prepositions, and we are going to learn vocative case. So if you are ready, let's start from where. So you see there is an explanation for where. It says when the subject of the sentence is also the owner of another element of the same sentence, where is used of the possessive modifier of the element. Okay, so there are some examples. Let's read these examples and learn how to use this where. So it says as بهوالن خورد دمشم. It means I am walking with my friends. So you see it is where. So it means these friends are belong to these as. If it was, for example, I am walking with your friends, would be as بهوالن تردمشم. Okay. The next one says herkes berpirse kriyaren khoe. So it means everyone is responsible of their doings. Okay, so it means their doings or its doings belongs these herkes. And next one says Dilshat bikecha khoe serbelinde. Dilshat is proud of her own daughter. When you translate in English, you don't need to say own, but to show that this sketch belongs this Dilshat, we need to say own. Okay, so it's not someone else's daughter, it's Dilshat's daughter. Okay, if I want to say Dilshat is proud of your daughter or her daughter, it wouldn't be why, it would be Dilshat bikecha te serbelinde, bikecha we serbelinde. And next one, Berfin dikar khode jihatiye. So it means Berfin is good at her work. Okay, she is good at her work. So this means this car is her own car. Okay, her own works. So if it was Berfin dikare tede jihatiye, it means these works are not belong Berfin, but belong you. Okay. And next one says as judai kahwa has become. I love my mom. I love my own mom. Okay, mom is mine. That's why is khwe. So if it was as judai kate has become, it would be I love your mom. Okay. So continuation of the sentence says le as judai kate has not come. I don't love your mom. Okay. So you see, mom is mine. That's why as I say as judai kahwa. Okay, or as jibave khwa. I love my father. Or as je khushken khwa. I love my sisters. Okay. So it is very easy. Just important thing is this object should be belong to subject to use this what. If it belongs someone else, you don't need to say what. So next topic is contracted prepositions. In Kurmanji it's quite complicated, I mean these prepositions, but let's see. So I wrote these four main prepositions and contracted forms. So you see, we have le normally, it means in and at. But if you want to say in it, in her, in him, literally the way, you can use only le. It means same. So we literally him and we her. But when we contract them, gender is not important. It just becomes le. And we have the we, it becomes te. Te. In or inside. And we have je, it means from, but if we say jouer, jouer, it will become je. If you want to use this shorter version, it will be from. And we have b, normally b is with with for stuff. So for example, you can say بقلمه, ببينوسه with pen, pencil, or I don't know, ببوري with hair, okay? And if you add this بوي بوي, and contract version will be pay. Of course you can say بوي, but if you want to seem as native speaker, you can use these forms. Le, te, je, pe. Now let's see some examples. For example, you can say pertuk na te deye. What is te? So let's see. Te comes from the we or the we, okay? And we have de. So it means pertuk, book is not in it. Okay, is not in. It can be bag, it can be a pocket, I don't know. It can be a room, okay? And we have kawaji pe shaye. Pe is bui bue, with it, with him, with her. So it means kawa is also happy with it, with her, with him. Or let's say amnaha lena. Le is from lui lue. So we will translate as we are now in it, inside it, okay? So you can, for example, normally you can say l'malena, we are at home, right? L'malena. Or you don't want to say l'male, you can say luena. And you don't want to say lue, you can just use le, okay? Lena. It's easy, it's shorter. And the last one is min jere got. Je is from jouer, jouer, from her, literally. But when we use this re, we have a preposition j'aurais. It is like to or for. So it means I told him or her. Here the object is not clear, but when you speak in your daily life, context will be clear and you can understand if it is feminine or masculine. If it is him, if it is her, okay? So, and the last topic is causative. No, not causative, sorry, vocative. So in Kurmanji, for vocative case, we have some endings. In English, you can do it with hey, like hey guys, hey you, I don't know, hey students, but in Kurmanji, we have endings, okay? So for feminine, it is a, for masculine, it is o, and for plural nouns, if it ends with a vowel, it will be a no, and if it ends with a consonant, it will be no. So let's see. We have some examples. For example, dalale, to prohoshiki. Dalal is our proper name for a lady, and dalale, like, hey dalale, you are very beautiful, okay? And let's see another one. Ahmado, wherever. So Ahmad is our man, it's a masculine name. Wherever, come here. Like, oh, hey Ahmed, come here. Okay? And then another example is Jinno. Oh, ladies. Okay? You woman, you plural woman. Malen fataqaj neken, don't clean your houses. Bla meren wa taqaj bugan. Let your husbands clean them. Okay? And so you see, jinno, or mer no, oh guys, or Khwandakar no, Mamosten no, and Dezyar no, Rojnamevan no. So you can just, you have to add these endings and it will be vocative. And last examples are Ketchik no, like hey girls, or Kurik no, hey boys. You see, it is very easy, this vocative case. These contracted prepositions looks a bit complicated, but they are easy. Just you need some practice. Okay, try to write and use them. And this why it is quite easy. Just try to get the point. So how it is when it is used. When subject and these object are belong to each other, we will use this why. So it is that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching me and for supporting me. If you have any question, write as a commentary and I will try to answer them. So, dambash, bye bye.